out the door, man.
Dude, what is today's date? Date.
20th.
Okay, December 20th, 2008. Snowstorm in Detroit. This is supposed to last for another 3 more hours from now. And looks like close to 7 inches, or rather 7 to 12 inches snow.
Dude, it's actually 19th.
Okay, small correction, December 19th. Man, look at that.
Should I jump? I feel like jumping. Do.
I don't know, like how will the visibility be
What do you mean visibility?
driving?
Just go slow, that's it. I would say don't take freeway, take these off roads because the speed will be anyway slow, right? So you can go very slowly.